Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Flies can turn a peaceful garden day into a frustrating experience. But don't worry, nature has given us beautiful, natural solutions to keep these pests away. Today, we'll explore 10 amazing plants that not only enhance your garden's beauty, but also help you enjoy it fly-free. Our first fly-fighting ally is basil, a versatile herb that's as functional as it is flavorful. Known for its vibrant green leaves and aromatic scent, basil is a kitchen staple with a secret superpower. Its strong aroma, while delightful to us, acts as a natural repellent to flies. The scent disrupts their senses, making it difficult for them to navigate or settle nearby. Basil thrives in sunny spots and well-drained soil, making it an easy and rewarding plant to grow. Whether in a garden bed or a small pot on your windowsill, basil adapts beautifully to various spaces. Strategically placing basil near outdoor seating areas or open windows can create a natural barrier against flies. It's a simple yet effective way to enjoy the outdoors without the nuisance of buzzing pests. And let's not forget its culinary charm. Fresh basil can elevate a variety of dishes, from pasta and salads to refreshing beverages. Having it within arm's reach ensures your meals are always bursting with flavor. Imagine a flourishing herb garden filled with the fragrance of basil. It's not just a feast for the senses, but also a practical addition to your home. So, let basil be your first line of defense against flies. A fragrant garden, delicious meals, and a fly-free space. What's not to love? Lavender, with its soothing aroma and vibrant purple blooms, is a garden favorite. While we find its scent relaxing, flies find it overwhelming and unpleasant. Plant lavender near seating areas or doorways to create a natural fly-repelling barrier. Enjoy its beauty and calming fragrance while keeping flies at bay. Bonus: harvest lavender for sachets or essential oils to bring its charm indoors. Mint, whether peppermint or spearmint, is a refreshing herb that has been cherished for centuries. Known for its invigorating scent and cooling properties, mint is a staple in gardens and kitchens alike. But did you know that flies can't stand it? Its menthol-rich aroma, while delightful to us, acts as a natural deterrent to these pesky insects. The strong scent overwhelms their senses, making it difficult for them to navigate or settle. To make the most of this property, consider growing mint in containers. This not only helps control its rapid spread, but also allows you to place it strategically around your home. Position mint near patios, windows, or doorways to create a natural barrier against flies. Its vibrant green leaves also add a touch of beauty to your space. Beyond its fly-repelling benefits, mint is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Add it to teas for a refreshing twist, use it to garnish desserts for a burst of flavor, or mix it into cocktails for a cooling effect. Freshly picked mint leaves are a delight to use and elevate any dish or drink. Whether in your garden or on your plate, mint is a versatile herb that not only keeps your surroundings fresh, but also helps you enjoy a fly-free environment. Rosemary, with its woody scent, is another culinary herb that flies dislike. Its camphor-like aroma disrupts flies' senses, making it an effective natural repellent. Plant rosemary near dining areas or as a hedge to keep flies at bay. Its fragrance adds Mediterranean charm to your garden while enhancing your meals. From roasted veggies to grilled meats, rosemary is a flavorful and functional addition. Lemongrass, with its citrusy aroma, is a tropical plant that flies avoid. Its scent, rich in citronella, is a natural insect repellent. Plant lemongrass near patios or doorways to create a fly-free zone. Use its leaves to make tea or a natural insect repellent spray. Add a touch of the tropics to your garden while keeping flies away. Marigolds, with their vibrant blooms, are more than just decorative. Their pungent scent, containing pyrethrum, is a natural fly deterrent. Plant marigolds around your garden or in containers near seating areas. They brighten your space while keeping flies and pests at bay. Let marigolds add color and protection to your garden. Bay laurel, a plant steeped in history, is cherished not only for its culinary uses, but also for its surprising ability to repel flies. This evergreen shrub, with its glossy, aromatic leaves, has been a staple in kitchens and gardens for centuries. Its glossy leaves emit a slightly medicinal aroma that flies find unpleasant, making it a natural and eco-friendly solution for pest control. The scent, while disliked by insects, is subtle and pleasant to humans, adding a fresh touch to any space. Planting bay laurel in containers near doorways or outdoor dining areas creates a natural barrier against flies. Its compact size and adaptability make it perfect for patios, balconies, or even small gardens. Indoors, dried bay leaves can be placed in sachets to freshen up closets, drawers, or even your pantry. These sachets not only deter insects but also infuse your spaces with a subtle, earthy fragrance. In the kitchen, bay laurel shines as a versatile herb, enhancing soups, stews, and sauces with its unique flavor. Meanwhile, its presence in your garden or home keeps pesky flies at bay, offering a dual-purpose benefit. A true kitchen staple and a reliable garden ally, bay laurel is a plant that combines beauty, utility, and practicality. Its evergreen nature ensures year-round benefits. Whether you're cooking up a storm or simply enjoying a fly-free outdoor meal, bay laurel is a must-have addition to your home and garden. Its dual benefits make it a timeless favorite. Tansy, with its feathery foliage and yellow blooms, has a long history as a fly repellent. Its strong aroma deters flies, making it a natural choice for pest control. Plant tansy away from play areas, as it can be toxic if ingested. Add a touch of rustic charm to your garden while keeping flies at bay. Citronella grass is a well-known champion in the fight against flies. Its citrusy scent, released when crushed, interferes with flies' senses. Plant it near seating areas or use its oil in candles for added protection. Combine citronella grass with other fly-repelling plants for maximum effect. Enjoy a fly-free garden with this classic natural repellent. Catnip, loved by cats, is surprisingly effective at repelling flies. Its compound, nepetalactone, deters flies, mosquitoes, and even cockroaches. Studies show it's more effective than DEET in repelling insects. Plant catnip in your garden, but be ready for curious cats to visit. A playful plant for cats and a powerful repellent for flies. There you have it, 10 plants to beautify your garden and keep flies away. Combine these natural solutions with good garden hygiene for the best results. Thanks for watching Gardening Glory. Like, subscribe, and share your favorite fly-repelling plants in the comments. Until next time, happy gardening and enjoy your fly-free outdoor haven.